We're back. What's up, TNS family?
Welcome back to our channel.
I know it's been ages, feels weird saying that, but we are back, fam. And as you can see, we're out of here. It's gonna be my son's first time on the plane. I'm so excited for you. But we are off to, son, be patient. Can you say Bali? Like ba ba ba? Ba ba ba? He's already getting frustrated. Anyways, we're gonna go inside and then we'll come back and check with you, okay?
Like Sis said, we're gonna go inside. We can't record in there, but once we get settled and all that, and once this fella is happy, hey! Yeah, we'll turn the GoPro on and we'll catch up.
We're out of here because he's crying.
Later, boat.
So we just got some Hungry Jacks.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah. My son wants to eat the Hungry Jacks, so that's what the hell? Look who it is. Are you, where are you going?
We're going to Bali.
He's going to Bali. Guys, we did not know that these two were coming to Bali with us. We literally found out 2 months ago.
Yeah.
Like 2 months ago that we were all on the same flight and that they were going Bali too. So yeah, fam. We have these two going Bali as well.
Let's go.
With us, let's go. So we are just chilling right now. I think we're gonna board soon. Sis?
Yes, guys. We're gonna board soon.
We had some Hungry Jacks and Jay went and got us some dinner so we don't need to buy food on the plane. What is it called?
Rice bowls.
Rice bowls, yum. And Chris also got chips.
No, it's Twas.
No. These are Chris's. And then we all just got water. Heaps of water. And that's Tua's mess on the floor. So far, son is doing good. I'm really happy that he's not like crying like crazy. He's just chilling. Can you guys see it? Yes, right there, question. He's just chilling. So yeah, we'll be back. Since we took off. It's currently 8:43 and can you see behind Tuxx? The sun's still up, but our baby has gone to sleep. I just wanted to say thank you to the girl at the check-in. I know that it was her. So me and my husband weren't actually sitting next to each other, but I feel like because she checked us in, she was full. She checked us in and I feel like she moved us around so we could have this empty chair, which is where my son is sleeping.
Shout out to the sis for that. If you ever see this, you know, I mean, God bless you. But honestly, it's so good. Hey, because we were walking in, we were like, oh my gosh. But then we seen the empty row and we're like, But update on Lalotoa. He's actually been pretty good. He was a little bit whiny, only because it's like near his actual bedtime. But we try to hold it off a little bit and do his bottle. As soon as he had his bottle away, he
was actually really good. He's been really good. He was just like a bit whiny in the beginning because it took us ages to take off, but then after that he was fine. So yeah, I'm just so grateful that he's sleeping, and we will check back in with you if he wakes up. But he's a really good sleeper. He usually will sleep right through the night, so I feel like he might just sleep right through this flight, and we'll be back. He's okay. Okay fam, we literally just woke up. Hey fatty boy. Yes, yawn, open your ears. He's just having some custard. There were a lot of babies on our flight, and I just wanted to say a massive shout out to all the parents who travel with their infant. It is not an easy job, and I just know for myself, for my first flight, I am grateful that Sun was just an easy baby. But if you ever encounter parents who are traveling with their unsettled infant, please just look over, give them a good smile, and also if you're walking by them, just let them know that they're doing an awesome job. We are going to go look for our taxi. Bro, it's been four years. 4 years since we've been here. I'm excited. Let's go. Honey, we gotta follow the man. Take the aqua bottle, yeah. Where's the drop for this one? Oh. Who's... Okay guys, saying bye to these guys, and we're off with our taxi driver. We're gonna see them in 2 days.
Okay guys, so we're just waiting for our taxi driver. Man, we honestly thought that he ditched us. We were like, oh no, we've gotta go and barter for a taxi and do all of that, and then saw my name. Then we went down one more, so Son was pretty keen to go sleep.
Yeah, he's still tired. This kid usually sleeps like 12 hours, so like he's like, why have I only slept like 5? Hello. Okay, we'll touch base when we get back to the hotel, but we made it, family. 4 years. Is it 4 years since we've been here? It's been 4 years since we've been to Bali, and we're just excited. We're keen. It's my 4th time being here. He's 3rd. We're just ready to we're ready to relax, you know, sweat. Do you guys see that? Anyways, we'll see you soon.
Alright guys, so it's the next day. Sorry about the echo. I'm in the gym right now, but just before I get started doing the sesh, I'll just give you guys a bit of a rundown on what happened. So yeah, we flew in, flight was late, we got to the hotel. Comment down below what's the difference, hotel, motel. Could probably Google it, but I want to see where everyone's general knowledge is. But yeah, we got here and checked in and all that. Really late check-in, which is pretty crazy. Like, bro, was it about midnight, I think, or almost midnight. We had a bit of a rough sleep. Went to sleep pretty late. We got pretty hungry. We're trying to search around and what's to eat and this, that. So yeah, like I said, I'm in the gym, just about to get started. I'll have a little quick pump and then I'll go upstairs. Sis will come down, we'll have a quick sesh, and then we'll see if we make the breakfast. If not, then we'll just go for a walk a little later on. Yeah, this place is beautiful. This little hotel in a random ass spot. You'll never guess how big it is. That's the main pool and all that, but we'll show you guys all of that a little later on. So yeah, let's get it. Let's go.
Okay, so we woke up. Tuxx went to the gym, then he came back. Woke me up, I went to the gym. And now we are currently going to go explore. Have a look around, what's different. Tuxx did go for a walk last night. How was that?
Yeah, it was way different from the last time we were here. A lot of shops have changed, closed down, not as many tourists. Probably the time of the year, I don't know, but yeah, it's just a lot more different from the last time we were here.
We're just gonna go have a look around, take my son to go whakafarming. He's been such a good boy.
Yes.
You've been such a good boy, baby.
You're the man.
And yeah, we'll take you along with us. Shiny fish.
Girl, you a party, girl, you a party animal. Wind up, wind up, wind up, girl, you a party animal. Wind up, sick with it.
So fam, we've stopped in another beach walk shopping center. It's pretty hot out, so I got a bit worried about the young fella. So thought we'd step in the mall for a bit, get a bit of shade. And now he's looking at these. No, it's coming to me. So we just see all these goldfish or whatever they are, and the young fella's he's loving it.
Massa in hotel.
It's about 5 minutes down. Poppy's 1, not Poppy's 2.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, Poppy's 1. Those little ones, yeah.
We come in here, we've seen Foot Locker, we've seen H&M, and it's pretty much the same prices as back home. It's probably like another 50 bucks on top or whatever. So yeah. And also the Australian dollar to the Bali rupiah is like not like what it was when we last came. I think the last came it was like $1.60 or something, $1.70 to Australian dollar was $1.60, $1.70. Now it's like 96 cents to a 1,000 rupiah. Yep.
Just chilling. I'm gonna pass these guys to his son and see if he has anything to say.
Son, yeah. Oh, really? Do you like it here so far? What else do you want to say? What else do you want to say? You say Nana? Come on, Nana. Huh? See you later.
Say bye-bye.
Say see you later. Bye.
Okay, guys. Because my son was napping in the car, we thought, I think we can take him with us for an hour foot massage, so we're here. Hopefully he will stay sleeping, but oh my god, I'm so keen for this. Okay, we're gonna start this face massage.
I just wanna make a moolah. Don't you know you mean to? Ooh, I get it. 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 He said she coming with it. I've seen the rest before, and I've settled for less before, and offer so much more as you're knocking.
So today after swimming we went upstairs, we like slowly got ready, and then my son had a nap. He had a nap, but he's actually pretty cranky because I feel like he's still on like Melbourne time. So Bali is 3 hours behind. 3 hours behind, honey. 3 hours behind from Melbourne, and I feel like he's on like 40 clock, like it's past his bedtime. So we're gonna quickly feed him. We came to this we came to Simingyak just thinking, oh, we'll walk down the street, we'll see what there is there to go and have dinner, and then we found this place and it's so cute. So it's like a restaurant in here, but they also can do shopping. Cute, I love it. And it's called Mades Warung Ora Simingyak. So yeah. How's your day been?
Yeah, my day's been good. It's been very nice just being here as a family. Taking his son in his proper swim. Like proper swim in the pools. And now just having some good food and a bit of a wind down time between me and the wife. And watching this young fella. He's the funniest, man. Just kind of soak it all in. Right now I'm warming his food down for him. So he's gonna have some wedges, a bit of chicken, and when the seafood comes then you'll have a bit of seafood as well. So yeah. There it is, guys. Honey? Alright.
Try our sambal.
Okay, yeah.
This is fresh sambal, cooked sambal.
Oh, okay. It's been craving this for a while. That's a 10. That is a 10. That's cute. Bit of lime, fishing it up. Oh, that is nice too. Beautiful.
Anyways, we're gonna end the vlog here. We're gonna quickly take son home. Stay tuned for more Bali vlogs. We are gonna try our best to push out content while we're here.
You already know what to do. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.